So we're meeting here for the fourth iteration of our nuclear security workshop at the Hertie School in Berlin, funded by the Stanton Foundation. It's an annual workshop dealing with European approaches, European scholars coming here to present their most recent research on ongoing debates in nuclear security in Europe. So for instance, yesterday we had a panel on German nuclear strategy, with different attitudes on Germany's position on nuclear sharing. We've also had great papers on Ukraine, on Russian nuclear coercion, and Poland and the Czech Republic and ongoing debates there.
Together with my colleague Stephen Herzog at ETH Zurich, we are presenting on the political effects of the Great Revolution in commercially available satellite imagery and its effects on nuclear arms control, proliferation, and disarmament.
Really enjoyed being here at my second nuclear security workshop at the Hertie School in Berlin. Last year I presented work with my colleague Alexander Bolfrost on the war in Ukraine and global nuclear order, and just got wonderful comments on that really helped improve the piece, which is now published. And so we definitely both wanted to come back this year together given the atmosphere. And when I say the atmosphere, that is that this is a really collegial setting. You have a lot of people from all over Europe and beyond. It is relaxed, but people are serious about the scholarship, and you get very constructive feedback. So what we've seen here is a number of papers that look at everything from the regional dimensions of nuclear weapons issues in Europe given the war in Ukraine, to German security policy, in particular to other topics related to public opinion on nuclear weapons and arms control and verification. And so there's been a range of methodologies being used, but everyone always seems to have their hand raised, and we have lengthy discussions after each presentation.